out, but I won't sacrifice me.
Yeah, apparently he's starting his giant plane.
Please don't. Please don't. God damn it.
Will you be okay with that? I can avoid you. Just take off before, Carl, so if you get in trouble, we won't take off. Okay.
So wait, Carl, you going first?
Sure.
Okay. I'll get your takeoff.
Okay.
Go ahead. There you go. Woohoo! You all right with trimming everything? Okay. All right. Oh, whoa, Frank, how'd you get there?
That's not me. I'm in the back, do you need help?
Oh, that's who's that? Ran? PJ ran.
Randmeister, you need to take off.
That's all right. I'll get ahead of him. What's with this? Is that fucking thing coming down?
Go.
Take it off!
China cleared. Gear up, wrapped up. Temperature 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, fast little pass from the right.
Oh yeah, baby.
24.0 volts.
Oh yeah, baby.
I didn't recalibrate my throttle. I should have.
It's great. I have to dial back the right sensitive on the
Which one?
The elevator is kind of sensitive. This is a F-4.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, I gotta hook up with you guys.
It seems to be really fast. They told you it doesn't need, you can fly slow as well. Low pass.
Okay, fast little pass from the right.
Touch and go behind Ray.
Light pack, no data.
Low pass from the right.
He didn't honk his horn. I didn't even see him. Woohoo!
3 degrees Fahrenheit. Time remaining 1 minute 5 seconds.
Okay, another low pass from the right.
Time remaining 1 minute. Light pack, no data.
Touch and go.
Temperature 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
Low pass from the right.
Okay, I'm right behind you, Ran.
Low pass. Right to left. Launching right to
9,
left.
8, 7, 6, 5,
Okay, guys, I'm coming in.
3,
Okay.
2, gear down, 1, time expired. Takeoff plan. Landing plan.
Wait for that for a second. I can hear myself. What?
He's already started.
Can you ask him to wait with this
He doesn't care.
with this gasser for a second? Yeah, can you ask him to wait with this gasser for a second?
No, he won't. It's too late. He's already started.
I can hear myself.
Whoa. Oh, hey, that's nice to see. I'll taxi back, Carl, and you're good. That was good to see. It was predictable, though. All right, you're clear. Come on.
Okay, coming in.
too high. There you go. Hold the nose up. Nice. Ah. Doesn't matter. Come on, Ran. Nice. You can still stay up, can't you? Nice, Frankie.